If you use Firefox a lot, adding a custom search engine can save you time every single day. Instead of going to a website first and then searching from there, you can build your own shortcut and search the way you want directly from the browser. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a custom search engine in Firefox step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you've never done this before. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox and click the menu button in the top right corner. From there, go into Settings. This is where Firefox keeps all of the main browser controls, including search settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left side menu and click Search. This will bring you to the section where Firefox manages your default search engine and other search options. Now scroll down until you find the Additional Search Engines section. This is the area where you can add a search engine manually. When you see it, click Add Search Engine. Firefox will open a small form for you to fill out, and this is where the custom setup begins. In the name box, type the name of the search engine you want to add. You can use the name of a website, a tool, or anything that helps you remember what it does. This name is what you'll see later when you search from Firefox. Next, go to the URL box. This part is very important. You need to paste the search results URL for the website you want to use, but you also need to replace your actual search term with %s. That %s tells Firefox where to place the words you search for. For example, if the search URL is something like https://example.com/search, Q equals term, you would change it so the search term becomes %s instead of the word term. So it should look more like https://example.com/search, Q equals %s. If the website uses a different format, just make sure the search query portion is replaced with %s. After that, you can add an optional keyword shortcut. This is a really useful step if you want to trigger the search engine quickly from the address bar. For example, you could use a short keyword that's easy to remember, and then type that keyword before your search term whenever you want to use this engine. Once everything looks correct, click Add Engine to save it. And that's it. Your custom search engine is now added to Firefox. You can go back later and use it whenever you need a faster way to search a specific site or tool. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.